Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to show notification on lock screen in Samsung A36 or A56. If you want to show your lock notification on your lock screen, just here. So let's see how can you do this. You just have to enable simple setting. So open settings and settings, just scroll down and look for notification. And here just go for lock screen notification, and then you must have to enable the notification just like that. And here you have to select on which you want to see your notification, the dot just like that, and icons or cards. I'm going to select cards from here, and here just select show content. So after that you will get all of your notification on your lock screen just like that. So that's how you can easily show notification on your lock screen in Samsung A36 or A56. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.